Salen. So how do we write that? Let's just see. D Salen. So let's start our journey. The numbers are irregular. You must memorize them. These do not follow a strong pattern. Learn them like vocabulary. Like 0 is called as null. 1 is called as eins. 2 zwei. 3 drei. 4 vier. 5 fünf. 6 sechs. 7 sieben. 8 acht. 9 neun. 10 zehn. 11 elf. 12 12. 11 and 12 are completely irregular. Just memorize them. Now, once you memorize this, it will be easier for you to memorize 13 to 20. Okay, let's see the pronunciation. Use these English approximations to get started with the sounds. अगर आप सीखना चाहते हो इसे कैसे बोलते हैं तो ये यहाँ पे इसके साउंड्स लिखे हुए हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10. Special grammar rule like eins changes. When you are counting alone, then it is eins. If it comes before a noun, then it is ein or einer. Eins is just a number like eins. But when you say an apple, like one single apple is there, an apple, before masculine, it is ein. Tasche, eine Tasche. Before feminine, it is eine. So remember, eins is only used when you are counting numbers. Now, how to form from 13 to 14? Very easy. What do we call 3? Drei. What do we call 10? Zehn. Drei plus 10 becomes 13. Same logic everywhere. Vier, 10. Fünf, 10. Sechs, drop S. From sechs, drop X. S. What remains? Sech, 10. Sieben, drop En. What remains? Sieb. 17. Sechs में से S हटा दिया, sieben में से En हटा दिया. Acht, 8 को acht बोलते हैं. That's why 8 here will be acht plus 10. That is 10. तो उसका हुआ acht 10. 9 plus 10, 9 10. Very important, spelling changes for 16. Not 16, but 16. Here we remove the extra S. 17, not 17. Everything else follows the pattern. बाकी सबके लिए same pattern. Stress and pronunciation and easy memory logic. Stress and pronunciation rule from 13 to 19. Stress is on the first part. For example, dry sen. Dry पे जोर डाल के बोलना है. Dry sen. Fear sen. Fünf sen. No pressure on sen. Sen you can say normally. Sen पे कोई pressure नहीं डालना है. Easy memory logic like think mathematically. 3 plus 10 क्या होता है? Dry sen. Same 3 plus 10 is equal to dry sen. Fear plus 10, fear 10. 5 plus 10, 5 10. So just remember 13 to 19 number. How will we do it? We will take number like dry and we will add 10. Fear 10. Common confusion. Many students mix up similar sounding numbers. pay close attention here, like 12, 20. 12, whenever you hear F, जहाँ पे भी F सुनाई देता है 12, that is 12, वो 12 होता है. 20, जहाँ पे सिश सुनाई देता है वो 20. Wherever it is 20, it is 20. 12, it is 12. They are not similar. Many students just confuse them. So these are the numbers which we are going to learn. Now here, listen carefully. Like 10, it's 10. Sish is ty, like dry sish. For example, for 20, what we are doing? Swan sish. For 30, we will do dry sish. 40, what do we call for? Fear, and we will just add sish. 5, what we call? Fünf. So fünf sish, just like that. So you can practice the numbers from 0 to 5, and after that 3 to 15, or 6 to 10, 16 to 20. And you can speak fast forward and back forward. So this is how you can revise. Let's see some example. Ich bin 18 Jahre alt. I am 18 years old. Wir haben 12 Schüler. We have 12 students. Das Kind ist 7 Jahre alt. The child is 7 years old. Ich habe 2 Brüder. I have 2 brothers. Now here, 4. What do we call 4? Fear. 11. 11. 16. 16. Now is it correct? No. We will remove S. So it will be 16. Here, 19. What do we call 9? 9 and plus 10. That is 10. And this is 8. So in next video, we will learn more numbers from 21 to 100. I will tell you the logic behind it. For more videos, subscribe my channel, and in comment, please mention on which topic would you like to learn next.